Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our student got placed in a company, so he is going to share his experience.
Hi, myself NIVEDH. I'm coming from Kerala. I have completed my bachelor's in computer application from BCA College, Bangalore. I recently passed out from 2024 passed out. Then after joining PySpiders, I don't have any idea about development, how the coding will work out. I don't have any basic skill knowledge about coding. And after my college, I was searching for one best institute in Bangalore. Then I got to know that PySpiders will be a good option for me. Then when came here, then with the help of Murli sir, Keshav sir, and Vijay sir, Alex sir, I was able to clear my all the doubts and all the coding skills. I have learned Django, Python, JavaScript, CSS, HTML in that, and SQL also. Then during my time in QService, I have committed many projects on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Then and Alexa took Django for me for the it helped a lot in my journey in full stack development. It is like in SQL, the Murli sir took SQL for me. Then he's very well. He took very well in for me of the SQLs, and moreover, then for Python, Keshav sir took me. He is a very good trainer here. Then he gave me the all knowledge about the Python and how we can get into Python technologies and all that. Then after that, in here, I would like to mention that boot camps and all. Then it's really helped me a lot to crack the interview for the HR on if it is technical or how the way you explain the things. We can make it huge in that. You can make it improve yourself in communication and presentation skills in that. It helped me a lot. Then that's it.
So congratulations.